Okay, I'm really excited about this. This just came in. Oh, yeah. Wow. Look how perfect that is. Oh my God. This is why it matters. Let me show you something. I'm very excited about this. I don't even want to open any more pages. Check this out. First edition, 1983. Yeah. Legit. Oh man. This is going to be my new hobby. It's like Johnny Depp in the Ninth Gate. He's like looking for first editions all over the world. Except it didn't go too well for him. But I'm down. I'm down for the challenge. Oh, so excited about this.